The idea was basically just to give kids an opportunity to experience engineering, work together in teams, and solve problems using robots. So we got teams here from all over the Pacific. We got teams from Korea, we got teams from mainland Japan, we got teams from Okinawa. Most of our kids are new and this is their first time doing it, but they've really magnificently stepped up to the challenge.
It's going beyond what we were expecting. Everyone's enjoying themselves, everything's going seamlessly, working together. I'm seeing not only students working together, but like coaches, helping each other out. Like, how did you program this?
A friend told me about this program and she said it was like a club, and I was interested because I have never done something like this before. After high school, I would like to do something in the field of engineering. I'm not sure which discipline it will be though.
This is the pilot year, and I think next year it's going to build even more, and schools will be even more involved than they were this year.